Let our stainless steel outdoor kitchen series be the centerpiece of your patio. This is TE001 sink cabinet with a detachable faucet and a handcrafted sink. It brings both functionality and style. The TE00 grill cabinet with 5 gas burners and a temperature gauge puts precision cooking at your fingertips. The knobs feature built-in ignition, and the LED backlighting design makes your grilling experience more efficient and safe. TE003 refrigerator, 7OL large capacity, so that drinks always stay frozen. The TE00 ice bucket cabinet features a 300 for stainless steel ice bucket for easy ice storage and keeping food fresh. TZ001 table. The combination of stainless steel and teak brings durability and elegance. From BBQ parties to family dinners, this outdoor kitchen series brings endless fun to your gatherings. Click subscribe for updates.